So, I got my braces on right here, and I guess I need some softer foods to eat this weekend, so I think I bought this machine. We're gonna make Arby's curly fries, and I guess let's get started. Take the potato, chop the end off, don't chop your finger off, stick it on here, and here we go. Take this off and put it in cold water. So I did about 25 potatoes. It's now soaking in this salt and sugar water for about cold water for about 30 minutes to get rid of the excess starch. And it's a cool tip: if you want like a thick curly fry, then use a large potato. But I noticed if you use a small one, you'll get like a thinner one, like they have at Arby's or whatever. But there's a mixture in there of large and small, and that's my alarm telling me my nap time's over. So I guess we'll make the Arby sauce. So I have about a cup of water. I'll pour half in and the rest as we need it to slowly mix it in. So you need a cup and a half of flour. You're gonna need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. This right here is 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, so this is the classic Arby's sauce. Obviously, you want to spice it up, add some, some dried jalapeno powder or anything spicy, but we'll just keep it classic for now. So now I'm just gonna whisk it all together, and I'm just gonna slowly pour more water as needed if I need water. You see how this is kind of like chunking up, so I'm adding a little bit of water. Kind of like how you make pancakes. Just add in the water very slowly, because you don't want it too thick and you don't want it, too watery. You kind of want it to stick to the potatoes. Okay. So place the curled potato you just did prior, and just make sure you just coat it well done. And I put a bowl there too, so I can just batter it up and place it in the bowl. Now I'm just checking to make sure it gets actually stretch it out and it gets between the potato, and so it's evenly covered. Okay, just place it in the bowl and just keep doing it until you're done. You see that? So I kind of almost dropped that one right there, but just enough. So I stretch this out, because if you don't, when you put it into the oil, just I think it kind of just glues together. So we're gonna kind of slink it into the oil. It's heated about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and our preheated are ready, and let's get started right now. Let's do it. Look at that. You see that? It's pretty good, right? So, pretty easy. Not too bad, right? So, let's try this out. That's pretty good. Try another piece right here. Fucking see that? I'm gonna slink it in. You know what I mean? Okay, I don't know how I made that, but I'm breaking half off. Small piece. Okay. There you go. See that? Slink it in. It's really good. Especially I just got braces on. It doesn't really hurt, but it actually tastes just like Arby's. So try it at home. Pretty sure you guys will do an amazing job. And if it doesn't taste good, it just means you did it wrong. So Have a great day. I'm gonna watch a movie and good night. Bye bye.